Hello there. Welcome to Programming How To channel. In today's video, we will see how to implement Bootstrap like Modal or Lightbox pop-up in Windows application. Let's create a new Winform project. Let's name it Easy Modal Pop-up. Let's add a class and name it Modal Pop-up. Let's inherit it from user control class. We don't want to display this user control in Visual Studio Toolbox. So let's disable that by adding the attribute. Let's define a constructor. Let's enable double buffering to resolve flickering problem in WinForms. Now let us define few extension methods. This method will give us a memory image of the control. This method will give us in-memory image of the forms client area, a form area without borders and title bar. Since the pop-up will be called by a form, so next we will define the owner form variable so that we can identify from our pop-up which form called it. Next we need to define a control which will be the content of our pop-up. Let's define the init method which will initialize our pop-up. Let's add show pop-up which will show the pop-up and close pop-up which will close the pop-up. Draw pop-up background will implement the overlay effect in our pop-up. It will draw the form, then fill a semi-transparent rectangle and set it as background image of our pop-up. Now let's run our application. Nice, so overlay effect is there, but we need to resolve few issues. Now we need to implement resize event of owner form and redraw the pop-up control and reposition its content. Let's do that. Now let's run the application again. Content is not centered, let's resolve that. Now it seems to be working, let's add some real content. Let's create a notification pop-up content user control. Now display this notification pop-up content instead of label. Let's set the background color of notification control to white. Great, our modal pop-up is working as expected. Now let's implement close functionality. Let's run the application. Now let's make this close button optional. Let's don't show it by default. Let's run the app. Now let's simulate long-running task and auto-close the pop-up. Let's run our application. This time pop-up will auto-close after 5 seconds. So this ends our first part of series how to implement Bootstrap-like modal pop-ups in C# Windows application. In next video we will see how to return data from pop-up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please give your feedback in comments so that we can improve our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video.